Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve a square plus b square is equals to 218, ab is equals to 91 and we have to find the value of a and b. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm going to use the very famous identity, that is a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. So I'm considering it as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. So with the help of equation number 1, we can replace a square plus b square here with 218 plus 2 times ab as with equation number 2, 91. So 218 plus 2 times 91 is 182. And when we add both numbers, we get 400. And this is the value of a plus b whole square. So I'm doing square root both sides. So with the help of this square root eliminate. So the value of a plus b is plus minus 20. So as this is the value of a square root, so we'll reject the negative case. So the value of a plus b is only 20. And I'm considering this as equation number 3. Now again, I'm using the very famous identity, that is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So the value of a square plus b square from equation number 1 is 218 minus 2 times ab is equation number 2, 91. So 218 minus 182, that is 36. So this is the value of a minus b whole square. So I'm doing square root both sides. So with the help of this square root eliminates. So the value of a minus b is plus minus 36. We eliminate the negative case because this is the value of square root. So a minus b is 6 only. Now I'm considering this as equation number 4. Now add equation number 3 and 4. So it becomes a plus b plus a minus b is equals to 20 plus 6. So plus b eliminates minus b. So 2a is equals to 26. A is equals to 26 by 2. So the value of a is 13. Now put a is equals to 13 in equation 3. So a plus b is 20. So in place of a, I'll write 13 plus b is equals to 20. Now I'm going to subtract 13 from both sides. So b is equals to 7. The value of a is 13 and the value of b is 7. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.